Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. So today I've teamed up with Myfirstwig and look what we are working with today. Do you see the material on this one? Absolutely gorgeous, right? So today I'm rocking their 16-inch full layered cut wig. She has a Yaki straight texture which mimics African American relaxed hair. My wig in particular has a beautiful blonde highlight all throughout, but of course they have options if you need options for color. So this one has a pre-everything cap construction. You're also able to choose your cap size. Mine, for example, is a size 1 for my nice and tiny head. She's even been upgraded with a drawstring in the back for the perfect flawless fit. Now, because this one is a Malaysian origin, she has a 1 to 2 year lifespan. I mean, I can rant and rave about this beautiful girl for hours, or we can get to the material. So today I'll be doing a very straight out of the box, beginner friendly install. In it, you'll see me do a glueless fit, adjust the drawstring, and give you a little bit of splash with these layers. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail.
Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, blowing up. C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows, the endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco doesn't like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, had to go right back to it, If you ain't talking about money, please say.
1 time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines, you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute. Parachute. 1 time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 5 times won't you be mine? This love thing can take time, yeah. And no matter how long it takes, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever, yeah. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. 1 time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines, you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So, baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute. One time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 5 times, won't you be mine? This love thing can take time. Yeah, and no matter how long it takes, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. Yeah. Your beauty make them bow down. I need that body right now. Yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So, baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me.
Okay, love bugs, it's been a few hours. I have been relaxing with the family, but I came back to give you like a quick little update on this beautiful girl. Now, I've laid on the couch, I've had dinner, cooked dinner, cleaned, you guys know the whole shebang. And what I will say is I absolutely love an effortless layered wig like this one. Now when I say layered, this one is layered for the gods. You have your shorter length up here, and then it goes down here, and it has like a mid layer, and then you have your length at the end, and there's so many different layers in between. On top of that, you have this beautiful highlight color that just works so well. In a world full of wigs, it's nice to do a beautiful switch up like this where, you know, it just breaks up the mundane, if you will, and it just gives you something fun to look forward to. I absolutely love this one. Now this one here, you can most certainly curl super tight, but to be honest, the cut and the intention of this one is not necessarily meant to do like a heavy tight curl. As you'll see, this one is just meant to be fun and flirty and do like a nice quick bump at the ends. But again, you switch it up and you do your tight curls sometimes. My favorite part about this one, beyond the cut and the color, is the hairline. Now this one fits 100% glueless. It's very easy to install. This is a no baby hair needed type of girl. And if you want, you most certainly can like pin it up. Look at how beautiful and flawless and seamless that hairline is. You guys know I'm usually a half up, half down kind of girl. Lately, I've been liking to just take the hair and just grab it up top like a half up, half down, but simply just kind of like pin it. This probably isn't the best example, but just to pin it back effortlessly, kind of do that hump a little bit. Not to this extreme, but you guys get the picture. Just something simple and out the face. And look at how just beautiful this color combo is. I live. Look at this. It's just effortless. It just gives like boss chick or the boss's wife, whichever you prefer. I prefer to be both the boss girl and the wife of the boss, but to each his own. Before we head out, let's go ahead and check out the packaging. This one did come from Myfirstwig, one of my favorite companies, one of the most top quality wig companies on the market, and definitely a perfect company to start with if you are a beginner looking to get into wigs. Inside of the package, we did get some goodies. We got our brown wig caps, nice and brown like me. We also got our rat tail comb. These are perfect for parting and of course combing. And then we also got the dust bag or the garment bag, and this is perfect for storing your wig. I love this. It's very unique. One of the few companies that give you a garment bag like this. That way you can nice and discreetly store your wig, and you'll always notice your Myfirstwig garment bag over the other dust bags other companies carry. They also included this info card which lets us know some details about this one. She is a 16-inch Yaki texture. It mimics African American relaxed hair, which we already know. The origin of hair is Malaysian, which is nice because this one gives a 1 to 2 year lifespan. And if you're like me, an avid wig wearer with a nice huge collection, you'll be able to keep this one for years beyond the 2 years, especially for someone who does not wear your wigs every single day, every single month, every single year. The color on this one is a beautiful highlight, and it's called the same as picture picture on the website, which is nice because you can for sure switch up the color if this is not the color for you and get the same vibe, same cut and layers, except in a different color. Say for instance, if you want to do something a little bit more natural, you definitely will have that option. And then the cap size for me is a 1, which fits me perfect in Glueless. If your head is bigger than mine, you most certainly can measure before you purchase to get the perfect fit for your wig. And then last but certainly not least, this one is a 13x6 cap construction with a 180% density. Now again, I'm giving you all the specs on mine and I'll have it all listed in the description box. But what's great about this one is that you can definitely switch your wig up to your liking. So you can switch up the length, the cap size, the color, all of the things. Even the fact that this one is Malaysian origin, you can switch up the origin of hair for a different price point and outcome. But yeah, this is our beautiful girl. I will have a link and all the details to her down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.